Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sofara Oduka. If you are just seeing my visible face for the first time, if you are a new subscriber, thank you for stopping by. If you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking on my videos. So today guys, I'm at one of the biggest shopping malls at Ikeja, which is Ikeja Shopping Mall. If you can see from the background. Funny enough, my house to this place is like, it's not even more than 200 naira. But it's been long, like 5 years that I've been here. I've always been going to Maryland Mall. So today I decided to come here after 5 years. Let me see if anything has changed. Everything just looks the same, sharp. So I'm going to carry you guys along today to see how everywhere looks like. Yeah, guys! It has three entrances which you can use to get into the compound. I used the middle gate and this is how the compound looks like outside. This is a closer look of how the building looks like and the car park, how huge the car park is. Just like the entrance from the gate, the building also has three entrances, one at the middle, one by your right, one by your left. I used the middle to get in. This is how it looks inside. This middle part is mainly for chops, yes, mainly for foods, because they are just fast food all around here. Perfetti, pizza, cold stone, just anything that you want to eat, you all see it at this middle part. There's an ATM gallery by the left hand side. Then at the middle there's this fast food joint there. Then at the right end you see ShopRite. Just beside it is a Med Plus pharmacy. I took the escalator upstairs. Do we still have people who are scared of getting on an escalator? Do we? If you are one of them, please signify by using your favorite emoji in the comment section down below. This is where the Silverbird Cinemas is located, upstairs right here by your left, and there's also a big gaming house for kids by your right, and also other stores. Isn't this view from upstairs beautiful? Isn't it? This is Oceanic Baskets Restaurant. It's a fancy restaurant. It's located upstairs also. They also have bars at the both sides of the building upstairs. This staircase is used to come up and go down for those that doesn't like the escalator, and this is just the view from the staircase outside. This is just me going down the stairs right now, and you can see the middle point from which I entered from. I'm back outside now and I'm just walking down over to the left entrance. As you can see inside, this place is more of like a store for clothing, shoes, accessories and all the likes. I'll just leave you to watch as I go. We are right back at the middle. From this point, I just walked over to the right hand part of the building and just continued the tour. This also contains clothing, accessories. We have gadgets too and equipment, toys and the likes. I'll just leave you guys to walk to enjoy the view as I walk. And here we are at the right part of the entrance. This is me going outside. Guys, see who came to look for me. Yeah, my husband. Close from work and he branched to come and see me. So let's do some shopping. We are outside. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I'm just leaving now. Truth is, I actually came here for my line. My line was blocked, my glow line. So I came for my line. So why not give you guys a small tour? Hope you enjoyed the tour, right? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. It's free. If you don't subscribe to my channel, I'll cross the road without looking. No. I know you don't want me to do that. Alright, take care, love. See you in my next video. Bye.